Talofa from Savai'i, Samoa. My name is Fainu'u, and I'm gonna show you our traditional dish called Sua I'a. Yes! First of all, I got all the ingredients right in front of me. And we have, look here, we have this lovely ongaumu. This is our Samoan coconut shell charcoal that we have here. We already have some water inside, big pots. It's boiling now. And then we're gonna start with chopping some onions. These onions can give our fish, all right, a flavor. There we go. And then after you put onions inside, you put your salts. Not too much, just a little bit of that. We also have some fresh chili, yeah. It's up to you if you want spicy. Okay, and we're coming. I have some fresh fish right in front of me. Look at this. This is a fresh catch of yesterday, right behind me. See? Got this fresh barracuda. Barracuda is one of our favorite tasty fish. We have skipjack tuna, yellowfin tuna, you name it. But this fish, it's nice and fresh, yummy. All right, put the lid back, boil it for 5 minutes. While we're waiting for our fish, let's clean up this mess. All right, let's check, see if our I'a is ready. All right, the last thing, let's put our pepe, coconut cream inside. Enough. All right, you can smell the fish. Make sure you got your dish and your bowl. Let's see, yeah? There we go. Woohoo! Oh, smells beautiful, huh? Now, what are we waiting for? Let's get some kalo and enjoy our meal. Here we are. This is our beautiful Sua I'a in Savai'i style. Keep it local, keep it fresh. Woo-hoo-hoo.